Yeah, you should go get Willow. Like maybe somebody, because Willow's friendly. They're trying to get, oh my gosh, they're trying to get Willow down. Hey you, my beautiful CVPs. Welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day to be alive and I'm having my merch on. I'm in red and pink today. Merch link is in the description. Get your merch. Also, we are heading right now to meet Robert and Willow, and we're gonna fly them today in our old location where we used to fly them. And I have Hope back there. You can see Hopey. Are you happy? He's so happy that we're gonna go flying today. So yeah. So alright guys, so we just got into our location and we're gonna fly Hope and we're gonna wait for Robert to come around. Oh, there you are. Hey Robert. There's Robert. Hey. Yes, so guys, my subscription count is officially revealed now and I just want to grow with you guys, grow with YouTube, and you guys will see me and watch how we'll be a really strong channel on YouTube. So my goal is by end of this year to hit, I think, like realistic by end of this year. Let me know. Comment below, guys. All right, here's Hope. Hey Hopey. Here's his GPS. Hey GPS. So we're gonna fly him with GPS. He hates it. Look. Hi. And Willow's over there. So let's fly him. Let's put the GPS on him. You wanna fly with GPS? Hopey. Come on. Just put you guys right here so you can watch us. Okay. Come on, baby birdie. Let's put on the GPS. So one guy was asking me, oh my gosh, oh, it's just turned on. Oh my gosh, your bird is flying with a backpack. And I was like, yep, this is his food, his provision, his supplies, his food supplies. And he was totally believing me. And he's like, what, really? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I was like, yeah, when he lands somewhere, he can open his backpack and have some snacks. He believed me. And then I pop his bubble, like, and then I was like, no, this is a GPS. Well, duh. Yeah, GPS is good. It's worth it. Oh, it's good. It's worth it. I don't want to lose my bird. This is an insurance for free flying. So yeah, there's other good GPS out there, but they're like for falconry, and they're really expensive. They are like $1,200. So this is like Trackimo. It's just like, I think like $200, and it's not just for birds but also for your pet, for your grandma, or for your dog, or for your cat, or for your drone, or for your car, or for your laptop or backpack. Check it out. It's on our website, angelicparrots.com. Go under free flying and then you can find GPS. Like, this is a all over GPS. It's not just for birds. So I love it. Thank you, Trackimo, for inventing this. And it comes with 1 year free service. So let's put it on. Come on, Hope. Look how cute. It's a backpack, and here's a little, like, here's a Velcro, and here's a little button I sew on it. Now I can really close it. Okay. Hope, are you coming out? Oh, there's Willow. Come on, come. Come on, Hope. Hopey is sometimes really, oh, you want a cookie? Hopey, you want a cookie? Okay. Oh, Hope doesn't want to come out. He saw the GPS. I'm bribing him with cookies. Want a cookie? Good. Come on, Hopey. Come on. You get a cookie.
Almost. There you go.
There you go.
When he sees
Willow. Good boy.
Asshole. Alright, so I got his GPS on.
Alright guys, so we just got to our rock location. This is the rock because he has a lot of rocks. And it's a beautiful location to fly little baby Willow. Hi, Willow. And sadly, we have to tell you that this is the last flight for Robert and Willow because... Why, Robert?
Because I'm leaving to Spain for 3 months.
She's leaving to Spain for 3 months.
Yes. That's cool. I'll be back.
You'll be back. Let's get the harness off and then I'll let you fly. 2, 3, go! Nice! Hi, Willow.
You got the new feather or something.
What? The nut is gone that fast?
The what?
She ate so fast.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh, you just swallow it. Hold chews on it for like a minute.
Go.
Hey.
There you go.
Hi, girly girl. Hobby, come, step up. 1. Want to fly Willow together? Willow.
Go back. Go back. I don't really like it.
1, 2, 3, go! He doesn't want to fly. He wants to sit on my shoulder. Oh, Hope wants to fly too.
Okay, fly home.
Okay, 1, 2. You wanna go fly? 1,
He doesn't
2.
really want to go fly when he sees Willow fly. Fly, baby. Go, okay, baby. Yeah, let's go fly. In the other direction. Which direction should I?
This is good.
1, 2, 3, go!
Willow's going down.
Getting
She's sitting. She's gonna go on a tree.
No, Willow! No!
Yeah.
Ah!
She just landed on a tree. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go! He's going. Hope is going to the tree to find Willow. Oh!
Willow! Come on, baby! Willow!
He's getting Willow off the tree.
I love that. Willow!
There they are.
Willow! Come on, baby. Willow! Come on. Willow! Willow!
Hope is such a brat.
Willow! Willow!
You guys see
What
that?
are they doing?
Hope is trying to get her off the tree.
I love that.
He's kind of like pushing her.
Willow!
She doesn't move,
Willow!
but she's irritated. She doesn't like home.
Willow! 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 What are they doing?
Hoppy! Hope wasn't successful. Now he's trying it again.
Willow! Come on, baby! Willow!
Wow!
Yes! I love it! Willow!
Willow doesn't want to move. Hoppy!
Willow!
Come on! Hoppy! Hoppy, try now for a third attempt to go after Willow.
I love it! That's all. Thank you. Willow!
He just ditched her.
Willow's gonna get so good with my mom.
Hoppy's coming back. Come on, Hoppy.
Willow!
Good boy. Good boy. Boy. Alright, so Willow's stuck in a tree and Hope just takes off to go get her. Good boy, Hope! So Hope is now looking at Willow. And now they're both sitting on that tree. Right there. I don't know, you guys can see it right there. No. They're having a little Macaw dance. With their wings up. Hope is like trying to get her off the tree. Oh, Willow's coming! She's coming! There she is! There she is! Nice! You got her. Let's call Hopi. Hopi! Hopi!
That was thanks to Hope.
Thanks to Hope.
Yeah, thank you, Hope.
Something he's good at.
Nice.
He's very curious about. Hopi! Hopi's coming.
Also,
Good boy! He's having
also
fun.
she got only 4 flying wings, like flying feathers.
Good boy! Nice.
She lost 4.
Hope did a great job! And Hope is flying with his backpack.
Willow, come on, baby. Yes, you're gonna fly. I know you.
You ready?
Like,
One,
oh, hell, she doesn't wanna fly.
2, 3, go! Maybe a fast flight. Come on, Hope! Whee! Hope, come! That was a nice landing. Oh, good job!
Good job.
It's his size. Look how happy. So happy. Hope, come! 3, go!
Go too far. Willow! Where's she going?
He's making a right turn. She's circling around. And she's on that green tree right there.
Oh my god.
The small. Okay, so Hope just found Willow. Oh no, Hope flew over the tree. Hope is still looking for Willow. Hoppy, come! He's landing on that tree. Willow! So Hope is now on that tree. Oh my gosh, where are our birds? So both our birds are just gone again. Willow is right there. Hope is right there. He's looking for Willow. Can't see Willow. He's searching for Willow. Willow's back there in that tree. Hope is back there in this high peak tree right here. Hoppy! Come on!
Come on!
So Hope is screaming and birds. So now I see people over there looking at Willow again, but Willow's on top. Those people are down there.
You see Willow from here, right?
Well, I can't really see her, but I see like kind of like the bluish. But she's on the top. She's not going down.
Willow!
But there's like now 2 people surrounding the tree.
Willow!
More people are coming. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you should go get Willow. Like maybe somebody, because Willow's friendly. They're trying to get. Oh my gosh, they're trying to get Willow down. Okay, so Willow just flew over to that tree, and now people are surrounding the tree trying to get her down, and Robert is running right there. You see him? He's running right there, trying to save his bird from those people who are trying to get him down. And my bird is up there, trying to call Willow. And let's call my bird. Hoppy! Oh my gosh, so there's people like, now there's like a group of people around that tree, like basically like 10 people trying to get Willow down. And Willow's like screaming, making a scene. Okay, so Robert just got down to the tree, that's good. So that nobody can steal Willow, because Willow's a very friendly bird. And if you have a friendly bird, it's not suited for free flying, because friendly bird can get stolen. And I mean, bird napping is no joke in California. Oh, there's Hoppy. Hoppy! Hey boy, Hoppy, come. Nice. Oh. Nice. So I got my bird back. Hallelujah. Good boy. Oh, you smell like pine. You smell like pine. Yeah, you smell like pine. Okay, so Robert is trying still to get Willow down. So I think that's it for flying today. Too much excitement. Oh my gosh, like flying is so nerve-wracking. You always are afraid of predators, hawks, shooters, and then people stealing your bird. And stealing birds in California is on a big high, especially exotics. So, and because my bird is afraid of strangers, which is good. Good boy, Hoppy. He shouldn't be landing on strangers, but a bird like Willow can land on strangers and can be easily stolen. Very easy like that. I mean, my bird can get stolen too, and that's the reason why I'm always so serious when people try to steal him, because it can happen so fast. I know, baby, I know. Sit down. We're gonna take it off. It can happen so fast in the twinkle of an eye, and bam, bird is gone forever. You know what I mean? And I don't want to go through a horrible season like looking for my bird, searching for him. And usually they sell stolen birds or taken birds. They get resold in downtown LA in really shady places, like little shady little pet stores for really cheap. And or ship out of the country. So this is like really a scary situation. All right, Hope. Okay, so Robert is over there. Over there. You can see his little yellow right there. His little, look at my finger, it looks weird. Over there. And he is trying still to get Willow down off the tree, out of the tree. Damn Willow, he nearly got stolen last time. So I think he's gonna get Willow down and everything will be okay. But look at the view, look at the view. Day to be alive. So the sun just sets, and I will say bye for now. Thank you for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, and hitting the notification button so you don't miss any episode. And I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.